Hi everyone, my name is Anindya and this is me presenting a project, banking system project from a minors course in IIT Mandi. So, what if I told you that we could build a simple banking system in Python where you can create accounts, log in securely, deposit, withdraw, and track your transactions all inside your terminal? So, let me briefly introduce you and walk you through to my project, which is a console-based banking system, and I'll just show you the code for now. Now I'll run it for you guys. First, we'll be creating an account. Let's see over here. We'll be adding an initial deposit of say 1 lakh rupees. Then we'll be providing a password for logging into our account, but the password will be protected using asterisks when I type it out. So adding this extra layer of security can help us prevent a lot of malpractices that can occur during transactions in a normal banking system. Over here, as you can see, the account has been successfully created and we have an account number has been generated for my account name. So right now, I'll be going to the accounts notepad to see how many accounts do I have. As you guys can see, I have already created two accounts prior to this. One named Anil, other named Akash, third customer named Anindya. So right now I'll be logging in into Akash's account first. So over here, we choose the second option, login. Then we enter the account number. Then we enter the password first. Now we do one thing, that is check our balance over here. The balance in Akash's account is around 2,57,000 rupees, 2,57,300 rupees. First, I'll be depositing some amount of money, say 700. We check the balance once again. As you can see, the balance has been updated. Now we withdraw a little bit of money. Oops, I have tried withdrawing amount which is amount more than the bank account has. So the banking system shows me a message of insufficient funds, withdrawal denied. Now let's try that again, shall we? As you can see, I have withdrawn 8,000 rupees and the new balance is 2.5 lakhs. Sorry. Now I will be logging out. Now I will be logging into the new account that I just created 2 minutes back. Copy the account ID number. Paste it over here. Enter a password. Check our balance. And it shows that we have a balance of 1 lakh rupees, which we had initially deposited into the account that we just created. So now we can do the normal banking activities. I would just like to withdraw some amount of money, say 30,000 or 30,000. Now I will be logging out and I will be exiting the bank. This is how the banking system works. And as you exit the bank, it displays a message, thank you for using the banking system, goodbye. As you can see, as we go through the different processes in the banking system, of two text files are being made over here, accounts.txt, which is keeping in track of the accounts that are being made into the banking system, and then the transactions that are occurring through our bank. So Let me just start with a brief description of the code. We are using a hash password, which we are converting to asterisks. The way the alphanumeric combination is being converted to asterisks using the SHA-256 hash. This, it just helps in. We should never really store plain text passwords. Hashing makes it more secure. Now I'll be explaining the code a little bit to you guys. All right. So first we are importing the constants, the hash lib OS, datetime, getPass, and the for the and we are naming the files accounts.txt and transactions.txt. Then we are doing the hashing the password. Then the account creation code. Then we have to check whether an account exists or not. What if we do not have an account and someone just tries to enter the banking system with a random generated number? So this part of the code checks whether the account actually exists or not. Then creating a new account and then loading it up onto our accounts.txt, asking for the username, asking for the password, asking for an initial deposit of money. Then it helps us store all the values in the transacts.txt. As you can see, first when we are making the account, deposit, deposit, deposit. These are the transactions that are happening through the banking system, and the account details in accounts.txt is stored in a CSV format. Now the login function, as you guys previously saw, we have to log in, enter the account number, enter the password, and then we are able to do the different types of transactions that a banking can do. That's about it. Thank you.